Welcome to Health Secrets, your go-to place for life-changing tips. Are you wondering if intermittent fasting is a safe way to shed those extra pounds? Picture this. A groundbreaking 2025 study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition reveals that 20% of Americans, over 65 million people, are eager to uncover the science behind IF. That's a huge wave of curiosity sweeping the nation. Today, I'm excited to share 5 jaw-dropping scientific facts that will put your mind at ease. So, grab a comfy seat and let's dive deep into this transformative journey together. Hey there, if you're anything like the millions out there, you're probably juggling a whirlwind of responsibilities. Think grueling work schedules, the pressure to stay fit, or even nagging health concerns that keep you up at night. Maybe you've heard about intermittent fasting, but the thought of skipping meals sends shivers down your spine. You're worried about hunger pangs, energy crashes, or even long-term risks like muscle loss or nutrient deficiencies. Those fears are totally valid, and they can hold you back from taking that first step. But hold on, there's a silver lining. Science is here to save the day. The Mayo Clinic, a trusted name in healthcare, assures us that IF can be a safe and effective strategy for weight loss when approached with care. Meanwhile, the National Institute of Health dives deeper, showing that IF enhances metabolic health in a way that's backed by hard data. Over the next 10-12 minutes, I'll walk you through 5 incredible scientific facts designed especially for beginners. Whether you're a college student burning the midnight oil, a new parent juggling diapers and deadlines, or a busy professional racing against the clock. By the end, you'll feel empowered with knowledge and ready to embrace IF with confidence. So let's get started on this eye-opening adventure. Fact 1. How IF boosts metabolism safely. Let's kick off this scientific journey with a deep dive into how intermittent fasting supercharges your metabolism, a process that's crucial for safe weight loss. The National Institute of Health has conducted extensive research, revealing that IF can elevate your metabolic rate by an impressive 14% over a 6-month period. This magic happens because IF improves your body's insulin sensitivity, allowing it to burn stored fat more efficiently instead of relying on quick sugar spikes. Imagine you're a dedicated college student with back-to-back classes and study sessions. By fasting from 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. the next day, your body shifts into fat-burning mode during those quiet hours. Here's how to make it work for you. Step 1. Recognize that this metabolic boost kicks in during your fasting windows, especially after 12-14 hours when ketosis begins. Step 2. Support this process by pairing your eating window with a balanced diet. Think lean proteins like chicken, healthy fats from avocados, and plenty of colorful veggies. Step 3. Keep a close eye on your energy levels each day. If you feel sluggish, adjust your fasting duration slightly. A detailed 2023 study from the Journal of Nutrition backs this up, tracking 200 participants and reporting an average fat loss of 10% with no major side effects. This first fact shows that IF is not just effective, but also a safe way to rev up your metabolism. Excited to learn more? Fact 2. The safety of 16/8 for beginners. Now, let's tackle one of the most common questions. Is the 16/8 method safe for someone just starting out? The Mayo Clinic, a leading authority in health, assures us that this approach, fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window, is safe for most healthy adults provided you ease into it gradually. Imagine you're a new parent with a chaotic schedule. Start with a gentle 12-hour fast, perhaps from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m., then slowly stretch it to 16 hours over a week or two. This gradual transition helps your body adapt without shock. Here's your game plan. Step 1. Begin with a shorter fast to test your comfort level, say 10-12 hours, and increase only when you feel ready. Step 2. If you have pre-existing conditions like diabetes or low blood pressure, consult your doctor before proceeding to ensure personalized safety. Step 3. Prioritize hydration with water or unsweetened tea throughout the fasting period to keep your system balanced. A comprehensive 2022 study published in the American Journal of Medicine followed 300 beginners using the 16/8 method and found that 90% experienced no significant adverse effects, such as dizziness or extreme hunger. This second fact confirms that 16/8 is a gentle, safe entry into IF. Want to know about blood sugar next? Fact 3. IF's impact on blood sugar. Blood sugar control is a major worry for many, especially if you enjoy sugary treats. The World Health Organization, WHO, has exciting news. Intermittent fasting can reduce blood sugar levels by 6-10% in prediabetic individuals by tackling insulin resistance head-on. This is a game changer for those at risk of diabetes. Picture a young professional with a love for desserts. Fasting helps prevent those sharp sugar spikes after a sweet snack. Here's how to apply it safely. Step 1. During your eating window, steer clear of high-carb foods like white bread or sugary sodas. Opt for whole grains instead. Step 2. If you're concerned about your levels, invest in a simple glucometer to track them regularly. Knowledge is power. Step 3. Work with a dietitian to craft a plan that fits your lifestyle and health needs. A 2024 Healthline report, based on a trial with 150 participants, found that 85% reported stable glucose levels with no hypoglycemic episodes. This third fact assures you that IF can safely manage blood sugar, ready for long-term benefits. Fact 4. Long-term health benefits. Thinking about the long haul. Intermittent fasting isn't just a quick fix, it offers lasting health perks. The Mayo Clinic has found that consistent IF can lower inflammation markers by 15–20% over a year, which directly reduces the risk of chronic conditions like heart disease and arthritis. Imagine a college student who sticks with IF through semesters. Over time, this habit strengthens their heart and joints. Here's how to sustain it. Step 1. Build a routine by fasting 3 to 4 days a week for at least 3 months to see results. Step 2. Enrich your diet with anti-inflammatory foods. Think salmon, walnuts, and leafy greens. Step 3. Schedule annual health checkups with your doctor to monitor markers like cholesterol and blood pressure. A 2023 NIH study, involving 400 participants over 2 years, reported a 12% reduction in cardiovascular risk factors. This fourth fact highlights IF's safety and value for long-term wellness. Excited for the final myth-busting fact. Fact 5. Debunking common myths. Let's wrap up by smashing some myths that might be holding you back. A widespread fear is that IF causes significant muscle loss, but the Mayo Clinic puts this to rest. Adequate protein intake during eating windows prevents it, with a 2024 study showing only a mere 2% muscle reduction in IF practitioners. Imagine a fitness enthusiast worried about gains. Simply enjoy a post-fast meal with 20–30 grams of protein like eggs or Greek yogurt. Here's your strategy. Step 1. Aim for 20–30 grams of protein per meal to protect your muscles. Step 2. Avoid extending fasts beyond 24 hours unless guided by a professional, as this increases risk. Step 3. Complement IF with regular strength training. Think weightlifting or bodyweight exercises twice a week. Healthline's 2024 analysis, covering 500 users, found that 95% of safety myths about IF are exaggerated or unfounded. This final fact empowers you to start IF with confidence, free from false fears. Let's conclude. So there you have it, 5 powerful scientific facts to guide your intermittent fasting journey. IF safely boosts metabolism. The 16/8 method is a gentle start. It stabilizes blood sugar, offers long-term health benefits, and debunks muscle loss myths. These insights, backed by the Mayo Clinic, NIHU, and Healthline, provide a solid foundation for safe weight loss and improved wellness. Whether you're a beginner or just curious, this knowledge can transform your approach to health. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on Health Secrets for more cutting-edge IF tips, and drop your biggest safety question in the comments. We'd love to discuss it with you. Plus, share this video with a friend to kickstart your support system and make this a team effort. Together, let's unlock the safe power of IF and achieve your goals. See you in the next video.